Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our Buick Special. Thought they had 215s in it, but it says 190 on the air cleaner. Supposedly according to the previous owner, the transmission's been redone. They must have, yep, there's your stereo. That works. Wipers work. Horn works. Blower works. And on top, I got top down, so we'll bring her on up. You just twist this knob one way for up and one way for down. Turn the lights on, show you the lights. Gas gauge works. There's your temp gauge and your oil pressure and your voltage meter. Little V8 they used in them. Aluminum radiator. There's your headlight. And hard to see, but your taillights do work. So. Any questions? 605-695-7391.